Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to whip up a quick spaghetti noodle shrimp lo mein. First, we're going to add in about 1.5 cups of medium shrimp. These are peeled and deveined, and just give them a quick saute. This is going to be the first step in our spaghetti noodle lo mein. Once you get those shrimp probably about 3/4 of the way done, you're going to go ahead and pull them. Put them to the side, that way we can go ahead on and build up the rest of our lo mein. Alright guys, once you get your shrimp out your pan, go ahead and add a little bit more oil to the bottom of your wok or skillet. Then we're going to go in with some veggies. We have some broccoli, red pepper, green pepper, and white onion. It's about 1.5 cups of broccoli, 1/2 cup of white onion, and 1/4 cup of green pepper, and 1/4 cup of red pepper. And you're just going to let that saute for a few minutes. Once you let it saute for a few minutes and get a little scorch on it, you're going to add in a couple dashes of sesame seed oil. We're going to add in a teaspoon of ginger. We're going to go in with a teaspoon of minced garlic. Then we're going to go in with about a tablespoon of sambal. Then after you get your sambal in there, you're going to go ahead and give it everything a nice toss and continue to work those flavors around in the bottom of that wok. Once you've allowed that to cook for a minute or two, now we're going to go in with our cold spaghetti noodles. These are cooked to al dente. You want to make sure that you don't overcook your noodles, otherwise you'll have mush. So these were cooked yesterday. They are cold, but they were definitely cooked al dente. So when we put them into this lo mein, it's still going to be have a nice bite and still have a firm noodle. Once you get your noodles in, give everything a toss and begin to incorporate everything into those noodles. Once you've done that, now we're going to go in and add in our soy sauce. Add about 2 tablespoons or teaspoons of soy sauce. Then we're going to go in with a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. That dark soy sauce is going to give these noodles that richness and that color that we always are looking for when we make our lo mein or our fried rice. Once you get that in there, incorporate everything, give everything a toss, and just continue to saute until you get those noodles up to temp. Then we're going to go ahead on and add back in those shrimp. Once you put your shrimp back in, give everything a toss and cook it again for about another minute to 1.5 minutes. Then you're going to be good to go, and it's going to be time to plate up. And there you have it guys, perfectly cooked spaghetti noodle lo mein with shrimp and broccoli. Fire.